Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Let's begin with Bank Nifty. First of all, let me see what are the levels. I should say, what are the support and resistance level in Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. Let me begin with Bank Nifty. So here, this particular level above 37,800, I should say, looks like a level where buyers might come in. Why I am saying this? Because if you look at the series of candles above this particular level, this is another level where price has taken a hit previously. So current price action looks like this. We have series of rallies, and after that the current rally is the strongest one with higher highs, higher lows pattern along with rising volume activity. And if this particular rally catches fire, we can see a momentum up to this level. Let me stretch this breakout line. Yes, this is also a kind of channel pattern. Let me mark the channel here. So if price goes inside this zone, ideally it should touch the level of 38,050 and then it might come back. So that is what we are looking at. So 250 rupees of profit in Bank Nifty. Let me mark the levels. Bank Nifty. What was the level? Let me see once again. 37,800 rupees. So that is the level. 37,800 rupees. Stop loss 37,750. Target 38,000. 37,850. I expect can go as high as 38,050. Let me confirm the level once again. Yes, 38,050. So I have mentioned all the possible levels in Bank Nifty. Now we'll go to Nifty 50 and let's see what all things are happening here. So Nifty 50 here. Can I go to 15-minute chart? There is a gap here. Yeah. And this is, so we'll buy about 17,500 and 600, and it should not 600, 17,575 and 17,615 rupees. There is a gap. Can you see the gap? Let me mark the gap on 5-minute chart. See, there is a gap here. If price goes higher, it should fill the gap, and depending upon the price action, we might see a fall. Below the gap, look at the rising volume activity. This volume activity can really take the stock price even higher. If I go to 15-minute chart once again, there is a highly likelihood that we might even see levels up to 17,650 rupees. I think that looks like a very good target. But do not rush. Wait for the price action to take the course. and then depending upon how buyers and sellers are reacting, we can counter them. Now we have to wait. Let's see what is going to happen. My battery is turning off. So what else can we see on the 5-minute chart? I'm not going to reset or calibrate these levels for time being. Let me see what else happens. One thing you can also take advantage of is inside candle. If you see inside bar on 15-minute chart, you can also go for 5-minute chart. But the main thing is the previous price action should be in a trend, either uptrend or downtrend. So you have something like this, and then you see a inside candle, then you can take a trade. The reason why I am saying it to do it on 5-minute chart is because it will save your time. What is a 5-minute chart? Every candle represents 5 minutes. On 15 minutes, every candle represents 15 minutes. So you have to wait for that long. If you have time, you can go for a higher time frame as well. So, but if you're going for higher time frame, please do prior analysis. So let me see on hourly chart. Can we find the insight candle during a trend? It has to be either uptrend or downtrend. I cannot see anything as of now. I might have to scroll on the left hand side. Can we see anything? No. I'm looking closely. Yes, yes. Can you see here? Please give me some time. Here, this one. So, see how easily we could have earned profit. So, here level is 36,485. So, we can buy either options or futures at 36,500 rupees. So, as you can see, price went as high as 36,681. So this candle here, this is we have an inside bar pattern. So we can find it on any time frame. Back to the action which is happening right now. You can also take help of 1-minute chart. It will help you analyze the chart on in fine grained detail. See, price went higher, then came lower, again trying to go higher. These are the things we have to keep in mind. So again here one lower, lower. Here it was not an inside. See, it's an inside candle, but a price action previously. So we could have entered here. And just talking about possibilities. Again, can you see inside candle? So 37,700 for 50 rupees of profit. So, so the shorter the time frame is, you have to adjust your target. You have to keep the target closer. The longer the time frame is, you can go for a longer target, 50 or 100 rupees. But as we are looking at 1-minute chart, keep the target small. You can also keep it higher. Generally, keep it smaller. See, you can find so many inside candles on 1 minute chart. Prime example is this one. Can you see this particular candle? 37,650 rupees. Again, buyers are really getting their money's worth here. Sellers are not going to let them free unless they see something. So moving on to Nifty 50, nothing is happening in Nifty 50. The same price action which I was talking about. This was the level of what? No, no, no. That yet to happen. The gap. Where is the gap? Let me see once again. 15. Yeah, this is the gap. Of what? Where is the gap? I have marked it on 5 minute chart. Yeah, this one. Let us see whether the gap gets filled or not. Ideally, it should get filled. The thing is happening really. Buyers are getting tested a lot. They are not being allowed to break free. If price goes above 37,700, you might see a decent action. So price is trying to creep higher, but it is being pegged back every single time. So slowly but surely buyers are building the momentum. It will all depend on how many sellers are there. Or the question is, how long can sellers prevent buyers? Currently they are not many numbers. The higher the price goes, the more the sellers will be discouraged. Let's see what happens, which way the tide is going to turn. See, again, I was talking about inside. This is not a perfect inside bar, but it is a variation of it because this red candle, the high of it is just higher than the previous bullish candle. But still, if you look at the price action, price is going higher. So we could have bought at 37,600 until 37,650 rupees. That's it. Again, price is trying to creep higher. Buyers are slowly building the momentum. Can you see? You only have red, two, no, three, four, five red candles as opposed to three, four, five, six, seven. So buyers are outnumbering sellers at the moment. This might be a residual selling which is going on. So talking about selling, where can we sell? So selling, in terms of selling is concerned, this level 37,500 rupees. We shall sell here and we can close out our position at, because this is also kind of a channel pattern, 37,250 rupees. Can you see price was moving in and around this channel pattern? So I have given you both the possibilities. Let me see what transpires eventually. Right now, it seems like buyers are slightly getting packed. We might we might see a bearish breakdown. Let me connect my laptop to charger. So I am all set and done, fully prepared. Yes, the breakdown, breakout or breakdown. So that's the advantage of marking levels before the session. You are drawing markings, and these are the markings that is going to dictate how you're going to trade. So here we have drawn both support, resistance level. We have also more or less decided where are we going to buy or sell. Mind you, this might change. Nothing is rigid. You have to be flexible, but it is better to draw supply demand zone. Let's see what happens eventually. Price is going down. Let me see. Yeah, currently what was the low? Today's low. So today lows was 37,438. Yes, this particular level, if it is taken down, then nobody can stop 37,000 to 300 at least. Yes, price action is perfect. Now we have to wait and watch. We cannot see volume activity for 1 minute chart. You can only see it for the current candle. See, price is going down. It has broken the low. Yeah, it has broken the low. Now more and more sellers might come in, or more and more buyers might come in at low. So these now couple of minutes can be a difference between a buying or selling. Let's see what happens. Buyers are being pushed back. Can you see there was a minor resistance here? Not support level, not resistance. Can you hear around 37,450? So right now what you can do, if you are taking an option trade, just go and trail the stop loss above your entry level. So even though price might go lower and does not hit your entry target, you are sure guaranteed to take something home. I think now price is really going for lower levels. Here, yes, there is a small resistance here as well. 17,003. 338. It's a huge profit. So please draw smaller lines as well. There are minor resistance on the chart. Can you see that resistance is respected? Now there is a doji-like candle, but it does not mean that price might not come down. It might come down as well. Both the possibilities are both the possibilities can happen. It's not just selling or buying, but we are in decent profit, not decent, more than decent profit. So what I will do currently, there is this line here, resistance line. I think I will take a risk and I will place my stop loss above 37,475 because I know if this minor resistance of 37,375 is broken, price can really go lower. So sometimes you have to take a calculated risk. Again, buyers are trying their hardest at the same time sellers are coming in. Right now we have a cluster of candles. Both the highs and lows have been tested at least twice. So anything can happen. If low is taken down, price might really go lower at a speedy pace. And similarly, if high is taken down, it can go for higher levels as well. Gap down opening. Oh, gap down opening for 935 to 940 candle. Yes, yes, yes. The resistance, the support is broken. Now let's see where the tide is going to turn. So 300, after that 250. I'm going to wait for this particular trade to finish, then I will end the stream. We are going to wait. We are not we are not done. Let's see what is going to happen. So that's why it becomes imperative for us to reset and trail our stop loss. Or sometimes you can even decide to exit the trade. It becomes imperative really. Again, price has gone higher, again it has been pegged back. It seems like both buyers and sellers are in a war. The war is only going to end at either support or resistance level. I'm going to end the stream in next 5 minutes. I'm really sorry. I have some work. I need to respect that. I am ending the stream. I'm really sorry. I have some work. You can continue to trade if you want, or you can exit. I have given you all the possible levels. Just above the resistance level, reset your target. In other words, trail your target, trail your stop loss rather. See, price is going higher. It might come lower as well. Anything can happen. We always have to be 50-50. Do not get too ahead of yourself, or do not think that you are one step ahead of the market. You might be on some occasions and might not be on other, but still give the respect that it deserves. Be humble about your analysis. Now price is going higher. It can really go higher, even higher than and this particular level that we were looking at as a resistance level. It might act as a resistance once again. So both the options are open currently. I'm going to end the stream. We'll meet in tomorrow's session.